What's going on, YouTube? Tom here. God, this is typical Florida in the summer right now. You got blue skies. This is the first time I've seen blue sky all weekend. Meanwhile, it is just damp as hell outside because it has been raining non-stop. So, pardon the shirt. Needed a clean shirt. So I got a second set of Diode Dynamics taillight sequencers here. So we're going to attempt to put those on while we still have some sunshine out. Now, unlike the last time I did it, pin pullers. Actually getting these pins off easier. So last time, if y'all haven't seen that video, last time I tried it, I got them all installed. I had a defective pair, not single, but pair. Now this time, I looked at the packaging, same thing. I had an envelope, not a box, and there was a dent in the bubble packaging. In fact, this one here actually has a little bit of a nick on the side of it. I don't know how well you all can see that. Hopefully, that's not another bad sign. I'm gonna go ahead and try installing them once again. And this time I actually know what I'm doing. Move my GoPro stuff out of the way here. Now, hopefully this time they work, because if they don't work, I am just going to return this set and be done with it. I'm not even going to bother with these again. Luckily, I know how to take everything out of the car, too, while I'm at it. This time, it's a lot easier, because once you know how to do something the first time, the second time is way easier. Set these aside. That's the glory of this car. You only have these 4 little knobs to pull off. And then you undo these 2 pins. Thing comes right apart. So it's easy to work on, at least. And this one goes rolling away. I want to try to keep everything neatly in a pile. Let's take this little filler thing off. Not that it got in the way, but it just came off and it just was annoying. So just take these little bits off. One suggestion was I should have gotten a plastic trim removal tool, which really you don't need. You just gotta get the little parts off, just like that. See how much easier that is when you actually know what you're doing the second time around? It's like the car just comes right apart the second time. See, even the pins come off. See, this is how easy this really is to do. This is a quite easy mod when you know what you're doing. I'm gonna put a link to these pin pullers I got on Amazon. Of course, typical, my dad said he's got one, but doesn't know where it is. That's pretty typical of them, so I end up having to have my own set of tools. It's gonna start raining again, hopefully not. Okay, so got that off. Where did I even put the things? There. Also helps to have some organization while you're working. Okay, plug the first one in. Okay. Alright, y'all are coming with me for the test here. Get my key out. Well, same problem, slightly different. So annoying. This time only the first 2 light up. Okay, let's turn that off. Already not looking good. I'm just like, I'm very not impressed with these. It's just the way they're shipping it might actually be the problem. I really hope that that's not the case. If so, that's the case, though. They need to reevaluate the way they package these things, because sometimes packaging is just not up to standard. If I can get this one out now is the next question. There we go. So I figured let's do the other one first. This one was damaged. Even if they're consistent, I will live with them. Okay. Even if they're consistently broken. Like, that's the thing. I don't want an inconsistent. See, this one works like it should. This one does not. That is annoying. It was doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Still pissed off here. See? It's better. I give this one credit for where credit's due. I'm going to go ahead and sit you all down. Let's try the brakes out here. So yeah, this one now has a slight problem. I'll take it. At least only one is bad this time. And it's a good thing that it's at least the one that's not got the damage to it. Because I thought that one is damaged. I thought if one of them is going to be bad, it's going to be that one. I'm going to try switching them really quickly and see if that helps. It's just annoying me that this is the second set and I still have a problem. I'm quite frustrated. But they clearly have potential to work, and that at least is better in my opinion. Let's turn it on. Let's try the turn signals out. Let's at least make sure the turn signals do what they're supposed to. See, this one now the turn signal doesn't work right. In fact, it's making a little bit of a weird click. Of course, this one should be doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So yeah, the system can work. I'm glad that it at least has potential to work. I just wish it would actually work. Like, I wouldn't have to keep going through sets of these dumb things. Let's go ahead and turn that off. So I'm just going to try switching them. You know what? I know this isn't going to do any good, other than I'm going to get that. It's just going to reverse the problem around, but cannot believe that. Like, dude, I'm about to leave you all bad reviews on Amazon. Like, this is the one I would have thought would be bad because of that little nick, but no, that's actually the good one. All right. Now, I cannot believe this. They're diode dynamics. Can you at least make one set of these damn things that works properly? One set. That's literally all I'm asking for. I don't know what to do anymore at this one. I'm like, see, one works. I'm going to go contact him and just try to see if I can get them to switch one of these things out. Just say, look, give me one. Give me one that works and I will be happy. But that's what happens. I don't know, do I leave them both on? Or what? But at least I've got it on video again. If these things really are as bad as I think they are after this, or I'm just unlucky and they happen to send me two bad sets, I don't know anymore. I can live with one being bad and the second set working fine, but when it's two sets that does wrong, that doesn't speak high volumes to me. That kind of lets me know your product is not very good. Well, I'm gonna go contact him again. Maybe this time I could just get that one. I'm not going to need two of them. I really only need one that works. But frustrating. Some people even said, I'm going to try one comment I had where it was just turn the car on and off several times. I doubt this is going to do anything, but Hey, worth a try, right? Yeah, I would admit it, that cold start just sounds good, though. Okay. Bet you that didn't do crap, but... yeah, see... defeated face again. Well, as usual, let me know in the comment section below what you all think about this. Guess I got some contacting to do. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, because we are getting close to 1,000 subscribers. If I start getting paid for these videos, it might help pay for itself. Take care. Have a good day.